Streams louder.
Morning guys, welcome to the channel. We got attention to detail PA in the house. Gonna clean up the beast, who is filthy. She's a filthy girl, very filthy. Won't be for long, right Chase?
No, not for long.
Chase is going to tell you about this new product. He's the only certified installer in the area. He's going to be installing this on the beast, but he's going to tell you about that in a, well, right about, we're done. Well, Chase is done. Truck looks outstanding. In case you guys don't recall or haven't seen previous videos, Chase has a mobile detailing service. He's actually traveled to Baltimore to do some subscribers' fleets. So Chase, you want to tell us about the services that you provide? Viewers would like to know.
Yeah, so we do interior and exterior detailing, we do paint corrections, ceramic coatings, anything you need for your car, road paint removals, tar removals, anything along like that. We also just got a new product thing called Glass Parency, which is what we just put in on the truck on here. It's a windshield coating that has a 3-year warranty on it. It's sort of like Rain-X but on steroids, except they last 3 years as well. So it protects against glare. It's hydrophobic, and then it also helps the winter a lot, so snow and ice just come right off.
So in comparison to Rain-X, because I'm not a fan of Rain-X, because Rain-X used to leave like these chemical smears that would be on there forever. What is it better than that? It's not going to leave those chemical smears.
No, and like I said, it's on there for 3 years, and it comes with a 3-year warranty through the company. So if anything ever happens to it, give me a call, come back out to you, refresh it, you'll be good to go. But I'll show you how it works. Won't leave any streaks behind, even after 3 years.
Cool. Let's check it out, guys.
I'll show you guys how it works.
Just look at it. Just look at it. That's cool.
There you go.
That beats right off.
Uh-huh.
Hopefully I can.
You just imagine it when you're on the highway going about 60 and it's raining, you only need to have your wipers on, so it's going to fly right off. If you guys are interested in having this done, feel free to check out the Instagram or Facebook page. My contact information is on there. I'm sure Steve will tag them in the description, or you can go check out Steve's Instagram or Steve's Facebook, and I'm also on there as well.
All right, thanks Chase. Another outstanding job. She's all spooned up, all clean. So what I have here is my core return for the torque converter that we replaced in this thing with the Suncoast new triple disc. So I'm going to send this core back, but I'm going to send the guys from Suncoast some goodies. Of course, I have to have my important stuff in here that you have to include with your core return. So we're gonna throw that in there. I'm gonna throw a couple Ram Beast decals in there so they know where this came from. Maybe they'll check out the video, the install video we did with Chester County Transmissions. My card, and we're gonna seal this up. So guys, how much do you think it's gonna cost me to send this box back to Suncoast? Comment below. Hopefully I don't get banged up too much. I am getting $300 back for this core. I'm gonna put our decal on the side of this. Certifying that this came out of Ram Beast Projects truck. You're gonna be like, what in the world is that? Alright, let's get this thing shipped back to Suncoast so I can put that $300 core back into the beast. And speaking of the beast and future plans, we are going to be going to Dirty Diesels in probably about 2 weeks to install the 625 ARP head studs for a future mod that we have planned. Give you an update on the truck and how she's performing. She's performing awesome. If you guys are new to the channel, we're using tuning from Higher Power Performance, HPP, and we're using the Easy Link platform with the shift on the fly. And I'm running tune number 4, which is the 130 horse tune, and she is running good. She's running great. Very happy, very happy. I know that I told you guys in the previous video that I have a video on all the costs associated with the overhaul of the 68 RFE and the gear swap. We are doing that this week. I'm crunched for time. I'm working a lot of overtime at my full-time job. Matter of fact, I'm going to work here in a few minutes to work today, and then I'm working 2 more shifts at the end of this week. So I'm putting a lot of time in. So it's crunch time, Got to pay for all these parts. I've been experiencing some issues with my tag lights. So my friends at Headlight Revolution, which I have a discount code for in the description below, as always, 15% off. They sent me some parts to fix that, so we're gonna fix that now.
Tag light bulbs?
Yeah, from Headlight Revolution.
Oh, nice. Sounds like fun.
Yep. Headlight Revolution sent me new HID bulbs because I wanted 6,000 K instead of 5,000 K, so it's got a little bit more of a bluish tint to it. So I don't think I'm going to install them today, but I'm going to install the tag light bulbs because mine are out. They're done. They're toast. So we're going to put new ones into those.
How the hell do you burn out tag light bulbs?
I have no idea. I'm almost thinking that water got in there or something and shorted it out. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe when I went through the creek. Who knows?
Oh, yeah.
You know, that creek driving, stuff like that happens. Bye, Carm. Alright, so underneath here, you just got a little socket you're going to turn. Pull it out. Comes down like this. Actually, these are different from what I have. These are different. Okay, as you can see, that's what I had in there. These are the new ones. Supposedly these are the upgraded ones, according to Chris over at Headlight Revolution, so we'll see how these things do. You know what, before we plug that back in, what are we gonna do, Kendall? We're gonna turn the lights on.
Yeah.
Is it working, Kendall? Is the new bulb working? All right, see, new bulb's working. So we're gonna stick it back in, just twist and lock it. So then we're just gonna move on to the other side. Very simple, quick. Like I said, yeah, you know what, guys? It was wet up inside there. Nice white lights, all fixed. The wife loves the white lights. I like the white lights. You guys like the white lights. Make sure you head up Headlight Revolution. And like I said, we'll swap out those HID bulbs in another video. Good morning, guys. Shh, we gotta be really quiet. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. We have an impromptu meet with Josh and Aaron from Dirty Diesels. You can't see me anymore, let me back up. So we're going to the Cars and Coffee event in Lehigh Valley. They call it the Old Steel Stacks. So, and I'm meeting a subscriber along the way. It's gonna tag along with us. It's very, very early and we just traveled about an hour in dense fog. It was interesting. It's clear to me that Mike, aka Monster Am, needs some new HIDs and some LEDs in his highs, HIDs in his lows, and some LEDs in his fogs. So I'm gonna have to hit up Headlight Revolution, see if he can hook him up while he's up here in Pennsylvania from North Carolina. Because North Carolina right now is getting dumped on. A lot of the mods that I've done to my truck was from advice from Mike. Mike's always given solid advice, and if you guys ever check out the comments underneath any of my videos, you'll see Monster Am in there. And sometimes he's jawing with some of you guys. Dude, that's nice.
So this is a Fleece 2nd Gen swap kit. However, I didn't use the S400 series turbo. I went with the S369 SXE model. The new lineup, kind of relatively new from Borg Warner. Smaller turbo frame, but this turbo supports up to 1,000 horsepower. That's not going to be my goal. Probably around 700 at some point. But we're still on stock fuel, so just took a couple modifications to make this work. There's the intercooler pipe that just had to have a little flange adapted onto there, and then a different down pipe. But other than that, this is essentially a Fleece 2nd Gen performance kit with the Steed speed. And then on the other side of it, there's the Banks Monster Ram. Probably gonna put methanol injection in there at some point, keep the EGTs cooler. Inside she's got ARP 625s, got Hamilton 103 pound valve springs, got the heavy duty push rods.
Now what year's your truck?
14.
It's a 14.
Yep.
And you got your Rev Max transmission.
Full built Rev Max 700.
He doesn't have to worry about my issues that I had not too long ago.
Yeah, I was lucky enough that my stock transmission didn't give me any problems. Let's see, I had it on there for probably around 75,000 miles when I switched over.
And Mike, why don't you tell the viewers why you're here in Pennsylvania, in my area right now?
That's right. So I am avoiding Hurricane Florence, I think it's called. Yeah, and it's dumping about 10 trillion gallons of water on my hometown, very, very close to Jacksonville, North Carolina, where I retired out of Marine Corps. So we had to take all our stuff and get out of Dodge. And we're up here for at least another couple weeks.
Yeah,
We don't know
sucks,
when we
man.
can come back.
It
Right now, there's
sucks.
10 feet of water over the major highways, and the governor's telling everyone, do not come back.
Yeah.
Go around. So
That
we're
sucks.
gonna hang out up here for a minute.
Yeah, and he landed 30 minutes from me.
That's right.
That's so crazy. Was that random or is that?
You know, I kind of was just looking at the map. My girlfriend had lived up in the area. I was like, I wonder what Steve's doing. You know, I've talked to him a lot. And
Yeah, that's
it'd be cool
cool.
to hook up and just say what's up.
Well, we made it happen. We made it happen. So what else? What other mods do you have done to this beast?
Okay,
and this
so-
is a legit beast, guys.
Same probably lift that you've got. It's the full BDS 4-link 6-inch. It's got the double stabilizers, the double shocks up front, adjustable track bar. In the back, I've got a Hellwig. It's kind of like a heavy-duty rear sway bar. It's adjustable. Horn blaster, train horn.
The wife has approved that mod for me. She has approved that. So
That's a mod that just keeps giving. You know what I mean? Because it's better to have people move out of their way under their own power than the reverse.
that's cool.
And then I got the 3500 dually diff cover on there just for some extra cooling. Didn't seem to have any rubbing issues either, so that was nice. Exhaust straight 4-inch all the way back to a 6-inch FTE stack. Now with the 2nd gen swap. Same tuning from Jonathan at Higher Power Performance. Have him the whole time. It's been great. Probably the exact same tune as on yours.
Exactly.
Probably
Yep.
exact, you know,
Yep.
but mine blows a lot more black smoke now at when it has low boost.
So are you doing the low boost?
Yeah, and I
See, I'm
always
not
did
running
that too.
one.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not
Okay.
running. Yeah, I like to run a little cleaner, but I can throw a little bit of black
When you
smoke
do
every
your
now and again.
2nd gen swap, you're gonna want it, and
Yeah.
you'll find it out when we drive around.
Yeah.
It's a noticeable lag, but
Dude, the thing's loud. I can hear it spool up.
yeah,
It's nice.
yeah, it scares the
I think there's a
wheel
Cummins pulling in
All
here.
right, yeah,
That thing is clean. There's Aaron. Hey, Ron. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you at the stacks. See what that's about. It's my first time going there. The wife said she wanted to go, but when I told her what time we were leaving, she goes, "I'm good. You have fun." Sorry I don't have more footage from the Cars and Coffee event. It's one of those situations where you don't want to have your camera out and film in, and I just wanted to enjoy myself, have a good time with my friends. So sorry about that. Maybe some other time I'll get some more footage of the actual event, because I want to try to get my wife to go. She wouldn't get up early enough to go with us this morning. So she's also building bears right now. She's on Team Bears. That's all she's doing, is building those bears out of old police uniforms. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, 1 second. How much did it cost for me to ship the converter core back to Florida? $96.85. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash that subscribe button.
Break the hook!
And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs up anyway.
Take a rock and smash it. Like
All right.
always.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next upload. Love you.